boy JBT OJ, and you can't find out the crazy nigga like me, and I'm back with another banger video for you guys. So today I'll be doing the scammer prank, you know, you feel me? I've been doing the scammer prank. Got it from my boy NTK. Yeah, Sandu. Me by me. Anyways, man, I'm gonna be calling a few people, not a lot. They're gonna be 2 parts, maybe. If I get the support on this video, I make a second part video, guys. Okay, so let's get it. What that?
Antipode.
Guys. Hey, Grey's Anatomy of foolishness.
Alright.
Alright. So we're gonna get into the video right now. Where you going? So in 30 seconds. So protection of the so you know look. So you know look suspicious, you know. Come here, call him too. Tell him say yo. Me drive Kia to text use it. Him lost me a call. So yeah, guys, got the numbers right here. Can't make see people in the board. So we about to call him right now. So let's get it. First man me a call. A baker. Mad boy. You know you should not be. All the number is blah 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 blah. Showbiz. You know what's on telephone need in a car? Why that the money that be for your friend?
Boy, bring that ass. You know what? You stay your stupid ass right over there. We just gonna look at this nigga. Yeah, we just gonna look at this nigga. Just look at this nigga. Boy, you got to be the dumbest nigga I know. Boy, ooh, I wish I could punch you in your face. Boy, I would say, fuck you mean all in your face.
Hello, good afternoon. Is this Chavez Wilkinson? I never got no. Coming. Yo, Mr. Dog, I say no. Me there. I may say, alright, Joe is not answer. So many even did say, make me go in a character. Yeah, me only if you go here pick up your phone. Me I say, Lord God, no.
Really, nigga? Oh my God!
You see, still the foolish system we pick up, keep up at school, I chat like a damn foreigner and them foolishness. And then sitting there, me not getting in. Yeah. One video me can rent me the car right man in answer but my car now. So look more, you see me?
Yeah.
Ah yeah. Hello, good afternoon.
Oh hell no!
Who is this? Is this Raheem Baker? Oh, this is a brother. Oh, yeah, yes. May I speak to him, please? Hello, is this Raheem Baker? What did you just say? Oh, okay. So, this is the NCB Bank. We have a special offer for you. What did you say? This is NCB Bank and we got a special offer for you. Yeah, the offer is, because you go to Knox College and you seem like a very smart child, we want to open a bank account for you, you know? Just a small amount of money, we'll start you off with $50,000. Well, you just gotta pay a small fee of $150 US. Nothing much, you'll get back a lot of money in exchange, you know? You feel me? Old TV, yeah, old TV number that.
Yeah, one good man. Yeah, how far away is it go?
Yo, look more, you see?
Alright.
Always around. See, when you do your thing, them do it in a silent. Don't make nobody know your style, you know? Another number, man. Get the book, bro. Get the book. Get the book. Boom. Boom. Lord God. Yo, this is my brain. This is Shannon. So this didn't even make sense to call him. But me, I call him anyways. This ain't going on with a plan, man. I'm not a plan. I'm not a bond scammer. God, I'm not a bond scammer. Not at all. NTK is the name. Follow my bro on IG and YouTube. His name is Doom. NTK is the name. So IG, YouTube. Follow. You get it? Gonna be calling him bro Puss. Yeah, that's his name. His name is Puss. You know, Puss. Yeah. Be advised. Force me to do this. Me not scam. No, probably tell you about God. Probably not answer. Is it me?
I'm sorry.
If I call from the bank, we not work.
God, man. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. Come on, answer. Come on, mate. Come on, man. Come on. You ain't good at this job.
I know, man. Hello, good afternoon. Is this Mr. Elliott speaking? Oh, this is Mr. Parkers from the Jamaican National Bank. We called to inform you that we are having some issues with your father's bank account and would need his social security number to start. How was that?
What? What the f?
hearing you properly.
Well, the only thing I can say here is that we never know what we say, we never hear what he did I say. And jeez, we know so we must surprise. So, Lord gosh, you never want for this at all.
Hold on. I want to prank there, man, I'm a little brother. A Jordan. Oh, God, dear man. Oh, I'm going to you. The man freeze up when the man start talk. When you start talk. Mighty God, man. So, never call somebody else, man. Somebody me call. And everybody know from my voice. And
3 days later.
guys, so we're gonna continue. Our nigga named Bramwell, you know? He's a musician. Let's see how this goes. Yes, guys. I am Scammer. I don't know how to do this. Hello? 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 Oh. Is this Mr. Bramwell? This is Mr. Farquhar from the JN Bank. We call to inform you that we are having issues with your father's bank account. We would need his social security number. Do you have that on you right now?
Oh shit!
God, God. I must do this. Why you not Jane account? I know how many people account that. Yo, I Jordan, man, share your friend, is it? I'll prank your chest out. Yeah, man. Look at me. Max, come on.
So, who that?
I'll share your friend.
What did I have nothing to do?
No.
Okay. You better put up clothes.
Man,
Go in your drawer.
yeah, I feel me close. Me go start. One man read the record. The guy na me video. Me not fish. I know this is anyways. So guys, me tell you, 4 person we call, 4 people we call. And guess what? All of them feel. You see, me no good scammer. Me no good scammer.
Hey guys, didn't want to keep up your time and bore you, so part 2 will be coming out. If you want it, comment part 2 down below if you want part 2. Gee.